Holy hell. Yeah, I'd say it's a little crispy. Alright, so what's bad about when you get connectors like this is that the worse they get, the hotter they get. The hotter they get, the worse they get. So it's a ring of fire that just gets worse and worse. So yeah, we're gonna be replacing this entire connector right here. So I've got the new connector, but as you can see, the new connector is got just 3 more slots than we need. So technically, I mean, I could just keep it the way it is and just install it with 3 pins hanging off, but no, never. So let me show you how I go about getting this down to the correct size. I don't buy multiple sizes of these. No, because you're going to have this situation. I don't want, like, oh, I need a 9-pin connector, a 10-pin connector, a 12-pin connector. Like, no, just give me this, and then I'll dwindle it down to the size I need. All right, so I don't have to keep track of it too much. I've got a marker basically highlighting which ones need to go. Got the good old grinder right here. Difficult to do with one hand because it's on wheels. So it's rolling as I'm trying to push it into this damn thing. I'm going to give you this visual right here just so you can see that it will eat it up. Alright, that's pretty much it. Now the connector, just cleaned up a little bit, is the correct size I need it to be. So this is my method about going about doing this, is that I do 1 wire at a time. Basically, I just go ahead and cut it, and then I have all my tools right here ready to my disposal that I'm going to need. And then I insert it into the new connector and then move on to the next one. And then eventually this will be the new connector. So the tools that you're going to need, maybe this. Set that to the side. Definitely going to need your crimper. This is what I've used right here. You got your 0.5 and your 10, your 1.5, or I guess it's 1.0. Then I use these for my wire strippers. And then, of course, your replacement connector. So let's say you just clip this off from right here. Clipped it off. I need to get some bare wire showing. That's all you're going to need right there. And let's get a new pin. Just like that. And now, the flat portion right here, that is going to be protruding through this portion right here. So we're just going to slide that in. Oh, slide that in like that. And this is the challenging part. I'm going to turn it so I can get it through there. Sometimes it'll slide in with ease. Other times not so much. If you don't get it all the way in, then it just slides out. So almost got it to snap in, but this is where these tools come in handy. Grab my small screwdriver, kind of push that into place down further. There. So that's all nice and snapped into position. Not going anywhere. And you are going to have a really good connection going forward. Nice and clean. And just rinse and repeat that all the other pins one at a time. And here we have old and busted. A little bit crispy there. And new hotness. So now that should just go. Oh, that was nice and snug. That was beautiful. I'm actually gonna plug these in and turn this machine on now to see what it looks like. Make sure that back box is all fully lit and all my GI is still going. Let's just check here. Maybe that bulb is bad. Yeah. Okay, that's the only problem. I was starting to wonder. I was like, doesn't make any sense. Should be good to go. So, and once we get all LEDs on this, then we won't have to worry about these connectors going bad ever again.